A new extension for Civil 3D 2022 is Grading Optimization for Civil 3D. Grading Optimization uses new grading objects provided to you in the Civil 3D tool palette. In this example, we're controlling how the area in the selected zone will be graded, setting the min slope at 2% and max slope at 5% in this area. We can quickly create zones for the building pads, sidewalks, ADA locations, and drainage. With the design intent in place, you can select Optimize to launch Grading Optimization. In the Grading Optimization dialog, we have full access to the grading object parameters, and you can update them if you need to before selecting Optimize. Grading Optimization takes the parameters that you've specified and generates very quickly a grading solution. This grading solution will also be mindful of earthwork quantities. The result of the optimization can be sent directly back to Civil 3D. Grading optimization can also be implemented in the same way for a residential subdivision. With the necessary grading elements assigned, you can take a look at one or many different grading scenarios more efficiently than with traditional methods, giving the engineer great flexibility in choosing the best, most cost-effective grading design of this residential subdivision. Grading optimization can also be utilized for grading around bridges. With the placement of just a couple of zones representing key elements of the bridge, you can simply select Optimize, and Grading Optimization will give you a grading solution for the bridge abutments. And again, the optimized result can be pulled directly into Civil 3D. Grading optimization gives the engineer the power to more efficiently grade their engineering projects.